Do you have any more of the sugar by the pound?
Yes, right here. We just put it out this morning. But sugarcane is green.
No, the cane is ready.
Looks like a good crop.
The juice is dark and cloudy.
Start cutting this section.
Got it.
And the sugar doesn't start out white. Look at that juice.
Look at that.
Nothing like the final product. So how does a green plant become those tiny, perfectly white crystals?
That's what the whole line is for.
And how does a factory do this millions of times every single day?
Keep the line moving. Yeah.
Everything is running.
The journey starts long before the sugar reaches your kitchen.
Where should I unload?
Bay 3. Every load begins with an inspection.
Check the weight.
Recording it now.
Weight confirmed.
All right. Then the cane moves inside. Open the gate! Ready! From here, the factory takes over. It's moving! Keep watching the feed.
Before the cane is crushed, unwanted material has to be removed.
There's dirt mixed in.
Let the cleaner handle it.
That looks cleaner. Send it forward.
The cane is then prepared for crushing.
Start the cutters.
Ready.
And now comes the first major transformation.
Here we go. Watch the pressure. There it is. Yes. Flow looks good.
But this is still far from the sugar in your kitchen.
It doesn't look ready.
Yeah.
We're just getting started. The raw juice contains much more than sugar.
There's plenty of impurities.
We'll clean it.
So the juice is tested
Take another sample.
right away.
The factory needs to know exactly what it's dealing with.
Readings are stable.
Good.
The next challenge is cleaning the juice.
Bring the temperature up.
Understood.
Heat helps prepare it for the next stage.
Steam is rising. That's normal.
Impurities begin separating from the useful liquid.
It's clearing.
Much better.
What doesn't belong has to be removed.
Skim that layer.
On it.
The liquid is cleaner now.
That's much clearer.
Keep it moving. Still a long way to go.
Definitely.
But we're still looking at a liquid. The juice passes through another cleaning stage.
Filter is ready. Send it through.
The color is improving. Exactly. More unwanted material is removed. Now the clean juice collects in a much larger tank.
Tank is filling. Keep monitoring it.
But cleaning the juice isn't enough.
We're not done yet. What's next?
Now the factory has to remove a huge amount of water.
Start the evaporators.
They're coming online.
As water leaves, the juice becomes thicker.
It's getting concentrated.
Right.
Keep the flow steady.
Liquid slowly becomes thick syrup. Look at that consistency. That's what we need.
Stage 2 is ready.
Okay. Send it forward.
Remember, this isn't happening once.
Keep every line running.
All systems are active.
It's happening continuously.
Yeah.
The flow hasn't stopped.
That's the idea.
The factory keeps concentrating the sugar.
It's almost there.
Keep going.
Now we're getting close.
This is much thicker.
Ready for the next stage. But how does thick liquid become solid sugar?
Now comes the interesting part.
Crystallization.
This is the moment the process changes.
Start the crystallizer.
Starting now.
Under the right conditions, sugar crystals begin forming.
There they are.
Crystal formation looks good.
They're getting bigger.
Keep the conditions steady.
Liquid becomes crystal.
That's the change we needed.
Finally.
Look at that.
Much lighter.
And suddenly, the material looks completely different.
There's still syrup around them.
The separator handles that.
So the crystals have to be separated from the liquid around them.
Start the centrifuge.
Starting.
The machine spins the mixture at high speed.
Speed is stable.
Good.
The remaining syrup is forced away. It's separating, exactly.
They're still damp.
Drying comes next. We're getting closer to the sugar you recognize.
Almost finished.
Not quite yet.
The crystals now have to be dried.
Start the dryer.
It's ready. Air temperature looks good.
Keep it steady.
The crystals become loose and dry. They're separating nicely. Perfect.
That's the color we want.
Looks clean.
Hard to believe that's the same cane. Exactly.
But the factory isn't finished.
Send it to quality control.
On the way.
Every batch has to be checked. Take a sample. Got it.
The crystals are checked for consistency.
These look uniform. Very clean.
The factory checks the final product before packaging.
Run the final check.
Starting now.
Once it passes, it can move on.
Batch approved.
Let's package it.
Now the sugar enters packaging.
Start the line.
Ready?
Machines measure precise amounts. Keep the feed steady. It's running smoothly.
The bags feel one after another.
Next one. Keep them moving. Seal looks good. Next.
Every package still has to be inspected.
Check the seal. No problems.
Weight is good.
Send it through.
The bags are grouped for transport.
Stack 6 here. Got it. Machines can even stack them automatically.
Robot is running.
Looks perfect. Layer by layer, the pallet fills.
One more layer.
Then we're done.
Then the finished load is wrapped.
Start the wrapper.
Go ahead.
And this is where the scale becomes obvious.
How many pallets today?
More than yesterday. One production line becomes hundreds of finished loads.
Aisle clear?
Clear.
Behind all of this are people keeping the system running.
Everything okay?
Running smoothly.
Some watch the machines from a control room.
Pressure is stable.
Keep monitoring.
Watch that valve. I've got it.
Others work directly beside them. because the process never looks as simple as the final product.
People only see the bag.
Not everything behind it.
From a green field to a finished package.
Quite a journey.
Every single time.
Just sugar. Exactly. And now it looks completely ordinary.
But it didn't start here.
And after all of that, it ends up in something as ordinary as your kitchen.
Pass me the sugar.
Here.
A spoonful can look almost meaningless.
Just one spoon?
That's enough.
But look closer.
Every crystal has come through an enormous industrial journey.
Keep the line running.
Always. And the factory repeats that journey over and over.
Next batch is coming!
Keep it moving.
Green cane becomes dark juice.
Fresh cane. We'll take it from here.
Dark juice becomes syrup.
It's concentrating.
Keep going.
There they are.
White crystals.
And finally, it becomes the product you recognize.
Final package.
Looks good. So the next time you see a bag of white sugar, remember, you're not just looking at sugar, you're looking at the final result of an entire factory working at massive scale.